Hey guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Coco. So in today's video, reading by the title, you already know what's going to be in it, guys. If you're new to this channel, guys, hit that subscribe button and you're welcome. Turn on your post notification bells, like, share, and comment, and turn on your post notification bells, and not repeated that twice. I'm rushing because I'm late. I'm going to a place called Karura Forest with my best friend Maria. You know, it's been a minute since we've chilled, talked and all that. So we're gonna cycling and all that, and just walk around and talk and catch up. So I'm taking you guys with me. Yeah. Anyways, let's get into the video. My ride is already here and I don't wanna waste more time. I'd have showed you what we've packed for the cycling, but water, snacks and all that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye. You look sorry. Fine girl like Mar. Turn around for me. Woohoo! Tell him when they're coming to pay bride price because he likes you. Oh my God! We're getting married! We're getting married!
To make it to the waterfall.
Yeah.
We have to. Yeah.
They told us it's a stream.
Ama, we go.
We wait for Gil.
Okay.
Yeah. How is cycling been?
Oh,
it got a point we were pushing our bike. If you feel like you need to work out, you don't want to go to the gym, just come here to Karura Forest.
You will have fun and suffer at the same time.
Like me, I'm suffering.
Oh, they said caves too are here. Maybe in my past life I used to live in such a cave. Yeah. Old age time. They have written on it.
We're looking for the waterfall, and someone told us they've just seen a stream. So I don't know, but it showed us waterfall. So we're gonna find it, whether it wants or not. Guys, we've been looking for that waterfall for the longest time. I'm so tired. Maria is about to die. We came downhill for a waterfront and at the waterfront for a waterfall and nothing. Let me show you guys this cool river here. Guys, we finally made it to the waterfront. Sorry if my hair is looking terrible. It's because of all the riding we've been doing and the wind blowing and all that. I'm going to show you guys the waterfall. Waterfall. We have to go down there. Can you see that? I need to watch my steps. I don't know. Maria is already over there. Mar! You have strong knees, huh? You have strong knees. Guys, we are at the waterfall. Wow. Wow. It looks so pretty. I don't want to record people. Guys, look at this. Okay guys, we are now going back and we have 20 minutes to reach the place, and damn, it's so far. It took 1 hour. Damn, okay.
It's more than 1 hour day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that soon. Yeah, my knees can.
I feel like my feet are shaking inside, or my joints or something. I don't know. Just look at how pretty this is, guys. I really hope, I really wish that while we're cycling, I'll put you guys on my forehead or something. Can you hear that sound? Just listen to that sound. So peaceful. Imagine sleeping around here with the sound of the rain. It would be so nice. Ati rain. It sounds like rain. It would be so nice.
Okay, I'm
God.
25 minutes.
Guys, look at these monkeys. They're so cute. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and had so much fun. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bells, like, comment, share. Guys, come on. The main goal is to get to 1K subscribers by the end of this year. So let's do this. Please, let's do it. Love you guys. Bye.